Hello everyone, I need to make for me some measurement cup, small and big, I need them. Okay, something like that I make. I use profile 0.12, I want to always very smooth. I think will be. It's very nice now. Okay. Print settings. It's like this. Fill. I'm making fill 100%. Support I not make, I will see how this go. I will check if it's possible to make without support the models. Speed is like this now. It's more faster. Okay. Tolerance. Okay, filament settings, modify that. Okay. Printer settings also, I will not change nothing, I think. G-code I not change. Fingerings also, extruder. Okay, all is okay. I can make slice. We have warning, like last time, to make some support for overhang, but I will check. Support, I will need them or not on this print. It's 1 hour 58 minutes, okay, and I export. Okay, now we go to print this. In this print I will see what the quality of the print will be without support. I think will be good, not excellent, but for this model is not so matter. You can see the printer finished the work, print the measure cup for laundry detergent without support. Print all. Is good quality. Here is little problem, but this is not matter. Here, what we have here. Also, this is about the temperature rating. It's too high. But also it's not matter for this, for the measure cup. The quality without support, what I see is good.